This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Triacle watch. First, make sure your watch is fully charged to avoid interruptions during setup. Next, download the official Triacle app onto your smartphone or tablet. You can find it in your device's app store. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your phone and ensure it is discoverable. This prepares your devices for a smooth pairing experience. Once your watch is charged and Bluetooth is active, open the Triacle app. If you're a new user, create an account. Otherwise, simply log in. The app will guide you through adding a new device. Look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Watch. From the list of nearby Bluetooth devices, select your Triacle watch. This step initiates the pairing sequence. After selecting your watch, you'll receive a pairing request on both your Triacle watch and your smartphone. Confirm this request on both devices to finalize the connection. The app will then ask for various permissions, such as access to notifications or location data. Grant these for full functionality. Now you can customize your watch settings, like choosing a watch face or setting notification preferences. If you encounter any connection problems, a simple restart of both your Triacle watch and your smartphone often resolves the issue. Also, remember to keep your Triacle app and watch firmware updated. Regular updates ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes, improving overall performance and stability. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Happy tracking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.